we're going to look at this platform that has taken my mind. I'm soon to start on it, also to start earning, but so far I've gotten $5 from it and I'm ready to cash out. Before we cash out together, let us look at this platform, why it is beautiful, and I'm bringing it for you. One, you can use one click to earn money from different ways. You can earn money by doing surveys on this platform. You can earn money by paid offers. You can earn money by playing games, that is spin the wheel. You can also earn money from leadership contest. Now, if you hear about leadership contest, they say it's an whereby you find active members. They finish daily tasks and at the same time, at the end of the day, and become one of them bonuses. You also earn from there. Then for the games, that is spin the wheel, they have up to $5 to win on a daily basis for playing that game. If you win the game, you take $5 out of it. Then when you go to the paid offers, you are really eligible. You are free to go and participate in these offers, then you get points. You can also run and do surveys. Surveys take 1 to 13 minutes, and most people are getting money from this one. Which site are we talking about? Which method are we talking about? We are talking about Red Monkey app. The Red Monkey app is found on all your platforms, talk less in the whole world. However, in some parts of the country, they might be accessing most of the surveys, and in other countries, they might not be accessing like other, but it is one of the platforms that we have found that you can earn at any time and at any day. Why am I bringing this today here? I'm bringing it here because it is proven and it has been rated highly as according to the views and reviews of the people that have participated in it. Most people fear this platform, thinking they have questions and they're like, are they legit? Are they scam? Are they scam free? Yes, it's scam free. What it does, it is not asking you for any of your personal details as far as banking credentials are concerned. What you do there, go to your website, go to your browser of your favorite browser and start doing this. Before we go into and we see the interface, how it looks like, I would love you to go and appreciate. You can give a review. You can give a comment in the comment section. If you have been there, you have used one of the survey methods that we have put here. You know, most people have a challenge on the survey methods on all these platforms, especially when it comes to the payments. But behold, this one has different ways of payments. Let's go in and see how it looks like. Now, when you go to your favorite browser, you key in the word Red Monkey. Red Monkey app is one of the newest app that people have been getting money from. Me, myself, as I speak, have already earned $5. I just started on it. But if you're there and you have enough time, please go there. Don't ask questions. Do it for yourself and see how it is. The moment you put Red Monkey, the interface will come like this. It will tell you start earning by taking surveys, by playing games, by installing apps. Get rewarded promptly for your variable time and active participation. Begin earning now. How do you get started? For you to get started, you have to go to the down. You will find something, get started. Click there, make an account. If you know you haven't made an account with this platform, you can even go to your App Store or Play Store and download it. It is an app. It has been rated 80 reviews so far as I record this video, out of very many, but per day at least it has 80 reviews by Trustpilot, and it is rating 4.3. You know, I always tell you Trustpilot is one of the best review app that one can ever get. So when you get started, you go and make your account. The moment you make your account, you're going to get even the free bonuses, free points that are going to come on your arrival on this app. For you to start earning, you'll go and click on the start earning or earn button. The moment you click on the earn button, a lot of concepts will come whereby you have play the game or survey, complete the offer, get paid. So the first thing for you, if you want to start earning, you click on play the game or survey. The moment you click there, you decide, do you want to do the surveys or you want to do the games? Then when you complete the offers, all of them, you get your money. The good thing with these ones are they have instant payments. Instant payments in the sense that the moment you reach the minimum, immediately you can ask for your withdrawal. There are different ways for you to earn from this one, but they also only one way, unlike others, only one way for the payments. How do you get paid from this one? You get this one by using cryptocurrency. We have different cryptocurrency, but they are all favorable for you. We have like Litecoin, we have Dogecoin, we have Bitcoin, we have Dash, we have Bitcoin. These ones are very good. If you don't appreciate the crypto, or if you are a kind of a person that is not use it, you can go for you can fall for Amazon gift. But I recommend for you to go for this. Why am I bringing it here, and why do I encourage you to do this? Among the surveys that I've been bringing here, or that we have gotten from here, this is the survey that is user friendly compared. It has good payout threshold, by the way. You just imagine good payouts options. If you can easily go for Litecoin, you can easily go for Dash, you can easily go for Bitcoin. So it's very easier for most people to use this than using PayPal. Then the third one, it has a low threshold. Not all of them are up to this, but 5%, $5 is good. You can do it in one survey or in one game. Then fairly high rewards. Indeed, it has highly rewards compared to others. Because if you go to see if you really see them, for example, let me take you to one of the survey. The surveys we have up to surveys, they can go up to $5. There's surveys which also start from 0.31. These are in terms of points, but whenever you change the points to dollars, it gives it 1,000 points, give it $1. So you can easily get this. So when we go down to look at exactly how many people have used this, because most of us, and when in particular are the youth and Africans to be specific, we want to touch, we want to see. Most of you have been asking me, have you tried it? Have you tried it? Please don't wait for somebody to try it and to tell you. What you do, try it yourself and see, does it work or it doesn't work? Then you also recommend it to somebody. Around 207,457 total users as of now, as I record, have used it. $874 have been paid on one day as I record this video. Then 141 to 49 dollars have been paid out since then. So this is something that is good. I recommend you guys, you can do it, you can continue with it. Why do I love to recommend for you this? Because it is user friendly and it takes low time and low data for you to do it. One of the ways that you're going to earn is by using a referral. Every person that you refer someone, you get 100 points. If you use right now my code, automatic, I'm going to get 100 points, which is equivalent to some dollars. The next thing I like on this platform, others, you can decide to see your points in dollars, not in points. Other platforms, it will remain in points until the end of payout. But this one, you can decide to click somewhere and see it in your dollars, not in points. Then the next thing that I love on this one is that, you guys, it's fair. You can get it in all countries. They're not going to say that this country, it's not there, it is limited to 15 years or to 18 years. No, it is everywhere. So whenever you want it, are you in which country, how old are you, you can use it and earn money. The only thing I will emphasize on is the way we earn here is different from the way they earn in UK. The way they earn, it is different, and also the type of the surveys that we get are different. What else do I need to tell you about this great app? You know, this app, it is the first of its kind that I've found. They have a support system that is live there. You can live chat them, and we talk to it. The way we talk to the banks which keep our money, the way we talk to the customer service of Amazon, the way we talk to all these ones, the same way we can talk to them. They have a live chat whereby you can talk to them, and your your issue will be solved immediately. What is this app we've been talking about? It has been Red Monkey app. The Red Monkey app is a good app. I recommend you go there. Don't say, did you cash out? Yes, I'm on the way to cash out.